Installing Kohler 85406 flush valve kit. Wondering how far to tighten bolts. Bottom of bolt head is currently about a 1/4 of an inch from the tank bottom. Should I try to get them fairly flush to tank bottom?
Do you know the model of your Kohler toilet? How old is it?
K4620.1998 vintage.
How long has this been going on with your Kohler toilet? What have you tried so far?
I'm replacing the fill valve and the flush valve gaskets were corroded and looked like a leak waiting to happen. Just preventative maintenance.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I'm installing the triangular rubber tank gasket and just want to know how far is good enough to cinch down the 3 bolts.
Hi, I'm Mike and I have 20+ years of experience as a plumber. I'll be glad to assist you today.
Hi Mike, thanks. Do you understand my question?
It was good talking to you. Let me know if something comes up.
Likewise, thanks Mike.
You are very welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.